You made it! Day 3. This is just the start of your video journey. Once you're confident, it's time to work on your content, your scripting, your creating, and making your videos work 24/7. So your clients go, wow, look at you. So at any time, if you want personalized attention with this, click the link below and book in to talk to one of us, because there is so much more than meets the eye, and we will fast track years of training into 6 months. Working closely with someone by your side will see things that you don't see. And we know what works and what doesn't work. So if you missed it, day 1 and 2 are right here. Go watch those first. And today, if you've been doing all the training, today we're going to talk about your voice. That's right, your voice. So put your hand up if you can't stand the sound of your voice. Oh, yes, I hear you. Your voice, your tonality, and how you speak says a lot about how confident you are. Are you guilty of a few of these things? Talking too fast? Not taking a breath and really speaking too quickly so no one can understand? All over the place with tangents, never knowing where to look when you are talking with someone on camera. So your task today is to find somebody that you love and look at what they do and they speak. Whenever you look at actors that do movies, it takes time for them to practice their role. They have taken time to step into their character, and that's what you're doing with this camera training. You're looking at the voice, you're looking at the style, you're looking at who you're wanting to become in the inside. So your voice is a projection. You can change your voice. You can be aware. Once you're aware of the bits you don't like of your voice, then you can start to put things in place to change it. So start to think about, write down what things don't you like about your voice. Is it the tone? Is it the sound of your voice? Is it how fast you're speaking? Is it the way people react to your voice? So you have a deeper look at what is it exactly that you don't like about your voice, and then start to think about what do you want your voice to sound like. And find a couple of people that you do love, because now it's time to study. All good students study. It's all about looking and learning and watching and implementing. That's the best way to learn. Even finding one word that you love from somebody else, you can master that word, you can craft that word, and you can start looking at how they say things, the space they use. So find somebody you love, study, and look at what areas that you love about them. Is it the spacing, the tonality? Because your voice has a lot of power, has a lot of influence, has a lot of energy behind it. When I was making or doing the voice for our elephant documentary trailer for the movie, I love the sound of my voice in that trailer. It's slower and deeper. My voice wasn't nasal and the sound wasn't coming from here, it was coming from here. And there is a difference. So if you can take on just 1 or 2 of the ideas that I've shared in this video, you're going to grow and look back and see how far you've come in a short time. See how I've instantly spoken slower, more deliberate. I put space when I talk. And I pronounce the words, because words have feelings. And if you can give a list of words space and their own inflections when you are speaking, it will help deliver a much more powerful message. And if you really don't like your voice, there are amazing voice coaches out there that have incredible talent to help you just with that one area. So definitely do something about it. Because if you don't like it, it's going to affect your confidence and how you deliver on video. But I want you to try first, before you go out and find someone, just being aware of some of the things we've talked about today: space, taking time, giving words their own inflection. If I talk about a list of things like exciting, vibrant, confident, power, can you see how instead of motivation, inspiring, power, blah, 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 you just forget. And one of the standout flags of somebody not being confident on video is talking too fast and not breathing. For some reason, people are so scared to leave space after they've shared a statement. Don't be afraid, because silence says a lot. So make sure if this is helping you, share it with your friends. So many women have an issue with their voice and how they are on video. I want the world to be empowered and help as many people as I can so we can create a ripple effect around the world. Imagine the world and how many stories there are to share. It's going to change everything. So how are you feeling after the last few days? And why is being on camera so important to you? I'd love to hear your story in the comments below. We release content on a wide range of topics around growing your business and making videos. So make sure you subscribe and click that bell so that this whole world opens up for you, because you're going to learn so much. My name is Rachel Dunn from Girl Director, and you can find day 4 right here. So see you next video.